Oh, good morning. Grabe. May kumakatok.
Hello sir, good morning.
Uy, good morning.
May pinabigay po yung Trans Hotel.
Wow. Thank you so much. Grabe.
Anniversary nyo pala ngayon,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
No,
Oh.
Kaya po is pinabigay po ng
Thank you. Sige.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Okay. Grabe guys, meron silang pa-cake, no? Yan, for our anniversary. So, everyone's out. We'll unbox later. Alright. Hello there mga katantu ko. So, it's been a great quick escape, no? We'd like to thank Family World Trans Hotel for a very good service and accommodation. No, mayroon pa silang pa-cake. So, we'll upload the videos unboxing the cake and their rooms, guys. The service is so great. The place is very nice. The people are also very nice, no? With enjoyed our stay here. So, kung in case naghahanap kayo ng place here in Baguio, no? Etong place na to, masasabi namin in terms of sa room nila, tsaka yun, meron silang bathtub, at the same time meron maganda yung ano nila, yung hot water nila, okay naman, consistent, hindi nawawalan ng tubig, and the rooms are nice. So guys, and the owner himself, I met him personally. He's kind, and ang bait po ng mga tao dito, no, sa place na ito. Kaya guys, we'll put the link below. So in case you wanna inquire to them, no, makontak nyo sila. So wait for the update. Okay guys, it's time to unbox itong regalo sa atin ng Family World. Pero parang matigas. Yan. Hirap niyang buksan. Yan, i-unbox natin. Hindi plastic yan. Yun, diba? Yan, buksan natin maigi. Tingnan natin. So, fresh from Baguio. Wow! Yan. Happy anniversary, Mom and Sir Ivan. From Family World Trans Hotel. Thank you so much. Grabe. Talagang ano yan, ha?